This is regards the impeachment. Nag-send na daw po kayo ng notice of pretrial to the parties and na-publish na po yung new rules sa Diaryo regarding the election of a presiding officer. Can you confirm this and can we get updates on the preparations for the trial? And kayo pa rin ba ang presiding officer?
Yes, I signed the notice for pre-trial yesterday. So pinadala na namin yan both to the defense and the prosecution team. And the next step, they will send us their pre-trial brief containing the items in the pre-trial notice. So na-meet ko na rin yung ginawang pre-trial, ginawang impeachment internal team para to make sure that preparations are in order. At tuloy-tuloy yung ating preparations for the impeachment.
Yung pagpe-preside, kayo prepared na rin kayo to preside?
Yes, I'm preparing myself as we go along. So ang importante naman dito ay yung calendar ay may sunod.
So yung publication ng new rule, yung in-approve ninyo last June 3, confirm na rin po yun?
I believe na-publish yesterday sa newspapers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, my next point. The other day, nung Monday, si Senator Alan expressed concerns na yung pagbaba ng quorum from 13 to 12 nung June 3 may eventually lead to lower voting thresholds. Parang sinasabi niya, pwede daw ang mangyari sasabihin 12 lang pwede na makonvict sa impeachment or kahit yung sa chat-chat baka bumaba. Is there any basis for that concern and do you agree na pwedeng mangyari yun?
Ang aming discussion in the past, especially nung June 3 event, is the Avellino case, yun ang ating basis. And at the same time, yung precedent, no? There are 8 times wherein 12 ang quorum ay 12 senators lamang. No? So I sent a PR about this. So dalawa ang arguments natin dito. Yung Avellino case wherein sinabi kung ang senator ay beyond the coercive reach of the Senate, pwedeng ibaba yung denominator sa pagbilang ng quorum. And at the same time, precedent, no? Hindi lang isa kundi 8 beses ang quorum ay binaba yung denominator at 12 lang yung senators present. No? So, because of these two, pwedeng mag-constitute a quorum.
Sir, so does it mean na pwede rin siya mag-apply sa impeachment or sa even sa chat-chat? Ibig sabihin is pwede bang mas mababa sa 16 ang kailangan to convict?
I have to study that. No? Dahil ang pinag-uusapan lang naman natin ngayon ay constituting na quorum.
So yung Avellino versus Cuenco only applies to quorum as far as you're concerned.
Correct.
Okay, on my third and last point, this is regarding yung ongoing security threat. I know that you ordered work from home arrangements today and tomorrow, but I also received word na may mga staff daw po, yung mga senador ng kabilang kampo, na hindi raw po pinapapasok ngayon or nahihirapang pumasok. Is there any basis or any instruction along those lines?
Well, as a general rule, I work from home ang ating ini-implement because of the security threat nga. Only on a case-to-case basis lang inaalaw ng OSAA. For example, yung finance and admin, no? Dahil yung sweldo natin, RG, is every week.
Yes.
Nalaman ko na every week ang sweldo, so they have to come in and process it every week. No? So tomorrow, mag-release na ng sweldo. So that's why they have to come in. So on a case-to-case basis, inaalaw ng OSAA.
So it doesn't discriminate between whether it's your staff ng allies ninyo?
Wala tayong tinitignan kung majority, minority, or Senate employee. Ang importante naman dito ay merong coordination as well as valid grounds to come in.
Okay, thank you very much po, Senator.
Thank you, RG.
Hi, Sen. Good morning.
Hi, Dexter. Yes.
Sir, 3 points lang. Leadership, impeachment, and security issues. Unahin ko na siguro yung sa leadership issues. Sir, may on your part or on the part ng bagong majority, may efforts ba para may assert yung pagiging acting Senate President po ninyo? Magpapatawag po ba kayo ng isang All Senators Caucus para once and for all malinawan talaga na kayo po yung susundin doon sa lahat ng mga...
Dexter, ang pinakamalinaw ay itong operational management and operational control ng Senado. Nasabi ko nga kanina na Land Bank already completed the transfer of signatures, so nagpumaperma na tayo ng cheque at nag-i-issue na tayo ng mga dokumento para ma-debit in account ng Senado. No, I think that is for me a clear evidence na meron tayong operational control ng Senado.
May move ba on your part na sulatan or kausapin personally si Senator Alan para at least matigil yung pag-i-issue na niyang mga directives?
Dexter, nasabi ko, bukas yung aking tanggapan to all senators. In fact, may mga kausap rin ako ng mga minority senators dahil kaibigan naman natin sila. No? We talk about various things. So, bukas naman yung aking tanggapan.
Pero may efforts na personally kay Senator Alan. No,
I said, Dexter, bukas yung aking tanggapan. No? So, my doors are open, my heart is open. So, yeah.
Sir, sa issue ng impeachment, doon sa issue na ni-raise kanina ni RG, paano pagdating ng July 6? Ano ang susundin nating quorum?
Well, may quorum tayo, no? Dahil 12 kami, and then kung pupunta sila, di 13 na kaagad. No? But if you are asking the denominator, we will follow the Avellino case.
Dito naman sa issue ng security, Senator, moving forward, ano ang magiging setup pagdating ng Monday?
We're playing this by ear, Dexter. That's why nagko-coordinate kami with the different agencies. We're taking marami kasing nung kausap ko yung mga empleyado natin at kausap ko yung Execom, marami pa rin may phobia nung nangyari nung May 13, no? So yan ang kanilang nasa isip at kaya nga ang suggestion sa akin mag-work from home because of that May 13 incident. So I'm taking so much abundance of caution, no? Because nga of that incident. At kaya pabalik-balik ako sa Senado para to make sure na everything is covered at hindi mangyari, walang untoward incident na mangyari. Ang pinaka-importante sa akin yung welfare ng empleyado, welfare ng members of the media at mga senador.
Sir, sorry, pang-isa na lang, balikan ko lang yung sa leadership. May mga balita na may 3 na daw from the Cayetano Block ang lilipat sa new majority. May hakbang ba kayong gagawin para sa isang special session para once and for all ma-resolve na talaga yung Senate presidency?
Dexter, hindi ko masasagot muna yan ngayon, ano? In so far special sessions concerned, ang ina-arrange namin ngayon ay yung mga topics. Like yesterday, kausap ko yung Commission on Appointments, nagpa-brief ako tungkol doon sa 5 general na hindi na pina-confirm. So and then ang Legislative Department, binibrief rin ako yung mga bills for third reading at yung mga citizenship confirmations, no? So yun yung mga tinututukan natin in preparation for a potential special session. But ang importante dito yung mga nabinbin, no? Lalo na yung sa mga confirmation ng general.
Thank you very much, SP. Ang susunod na magtatanong po si Nimpa po ng DCWB. Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Nimpa.
Hi, sir. Good morning po. Sir, clarify ko lang po. Sir, i-follow up pa lang yung sa question ni RG kasi di ba po sa Constitution naman is 2/3 ang kailangang boto to convict sa impeachment case. Ngayon, sabi ni Senator Alan Cayetano, yung pagbaba nyo ng tawag dito ng boto, yung pagbaba nyo sa 12 dun sa quorum, baka daw gamitin din ninyo sa impeachment. So, ano ho ang tugon ninyo doon? Ibababa ho ba from supposedly 2/3 which is 16, gagawin nyo ho bang 12?
Babalikan kita dyan, Nimpa.
Opo.
Let me get back to you on that one.
Okay, sige sir. And then, yung pong sabi ni Senator Alan, bakit hindi sila nasabihan doon sa threat sa Senate at saka duda siya sa source which is the NBI.
Well, Nimfa, napakabilis ng pangyayari at
Opo.
ang unang instinct ko ay yung welfare ng tao eh.
Mhm.
No, yung welfare ng mga empleyado sa loob, members of the media, mga senador. That's why I had to talk to our Sergeant at Arms and Execom and mga employees actually diretso. No, so yan ang priority natin. Importante yung welfare ng mga empleyado. So that's why we convene it. That's why we convene yung executive committee committee yesterday para magbigay sila ng suggestions at dahil mas matagal na sila sa akin diyan kung ano yung mga dapat na gagawin.
Pero sir, were they formally informed po yung minority bloc na merong ganung threat? May threat. Security threat.
Ano yun? Sorry?
Yes, sir. Sir, yung pong minority bloc, were they formally informed o through your memo na kahapon yung pag-inform sa kanila na merong security
Yeah,
threat?
we informed
Ah.
everyone through the memo.
Opo.
We informed everyone through the memo. And yesterday morning rin, we were also validating